Hello, gorgeous. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so we're getting ready to take the Mounjaro 7.5. Yeah, girl. Yes, gorgeous. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about my maintenance journey on the GLP-1 medication, my GLP-1 journey, as this is my third round. Okay, Lola, are you ready, girl? I missed you. Are you going to act right today, Lola? All right. Mounjaro, Mounjaro, Mounjaro journey. Mounjaro, Mounjaro, Mounjaro journey. I love that song. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I said, wish I was a kid again. We're back again, guys. All right, so today I will be starting the Mounjaro 7.5 milligrams. This is a brand new box. I was supposed to wait 14 days, which will be Wednesday. But today, my friend, it is Monday, September 15th. All right, so I'm taking this at night. As you can see, it is 6:04. I already ate my dinner. Actually, I took creatine. You're going to see the short, which you'll see that before you see this video because I'm going to upload it later on tonight. But I took the creatine right when I was starting the workout, and then it didn't start to kick in until the end of my first circuit. So I ate my food, and then I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do the circuit. I'm not gonna do circuit number 2. Child, before I knew it, I was like, let me go ahead and finish circuit number 2, and then I did a finisher on the treadmill. So I already ate all my calories. I am at 1,700 calories. So I did this on purpose because I wanted to see exactly how many calories can I eat while on the 7.5 without eating too low in calories, where I am, starting to lose muscle and all of that other stuff, and not eating enough calories to support my exercise regimen. What is going on? Goodness. It's a whole lot of protection. All right, so in your box, if you are brand new to the channel, I know some new subscribers came on to my live yesterday and they were thinking about getting on the injection. So just wanted to let you know that you will start off, depending on your doctor, whatever your doctor says, usually it is the lowest dose. So if you are doing the tirzepatide, which is Mounjaro or Zepbound, it will be 2.5. So okay, so you get the 4 pens in here, and then you keep these refrigerated. So I can throw these instructions away, but you may want to read them. But just so that you understand the milligrams that is presented, if you are going to be taking the tirzepatide, this is what it looks like. Okay, I am going to be doing the arm. You can do either 3 places. The arm, the stomach, either the left or the right, and you can just rotate either up or down on the abdomen, long as it's not near the belly button. And you can also do your thigh. So what you want to do is make sure you are getting the fat right here. So that's what we're going to do. I am not an arm person, so today, girl, we are going to be doing the arm. All right, so if I don't feel the suppression or any type of effect, I am okay with it because your girl wants to eat. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into my little jar right here, pull out a cotton ball. All right, and then you want to get your alcohol, and then you want to do a little something like that. And then, you like my nails? ASMR. All right, so then go right there. All right, so I'm not gonna flex. I'm not flexing. Wait, that didn't make a good muscle. But anywho, so I'm gonna relax my arm, and I'm just gonna clean like right up in here. Relax. All right, I'm gonna just clean all over. All right, so I want to make sure I get up in there. Or Yeah, I'll do it like that. Okay. All right, so this is what the pen looks like. There's a lock. Oh, okay, I'm about to say, where the bubble at? Okay, so there's a bubble in there. So it's on lock. Unlock it. You can take it out, usually, whatever. Okay, and then we're going to press the purple button. All right, relax arm. Okay. So this is where the fat is. Ooh, ooh. Ow! That hurts even worse. Ooh. I feel like some came out. Maybe not. I did it right there. Maybe I did it too low. Because I did it right there. Maybe I should have did it up here. Yeah, I should have did it right there. I did it. I thought I was close. But either way, it's in the fat. Yeah, I did it right there. Which will be right there in the arm. Dang, that hurt. Okay, so what does this mean? I will be taking this in 2 weeks, depending on how I feel. And then that way, the first week of each month is when I will take the injection. So it will be a once a month thing. If you are new to the injections, you'll be taking it once a week. When you're in maintenance, you'll end up taking it maybe 14 days, depending on what your doctor says. And if he allows you to, you can start taking it once a month. But I am in maintenance, and therefore I am just trying to maintain my weight and, you know, just go from there. All right, so what we do is we close this box back up, right? And then we just gonna throw this bad boy back in the refrigerator and just mind our business. I don't think I'm gonna do that in the arm again. That right there hurt. I don't understand. All right, so if you want to know what my weight is, a starting weight is 146 point something. Okay, I just maintained weight the whole 2 weeks, so that is cool. All right, but on Wednesday we will talk about exactly what my experience was like during my off week, and what I did to help maintain my weight, and what I plan on doing going forward as far as like counting my calories and stuff like that. Because again, I'm trying to make sure that my calories are up high, so I don't want to go low. My arm, it is hurting. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places.